After exercise 20A, our next topic is area of some plane figures. First one is rectangle. As you know very well about rectangle, that area of rectangle is length into breadth. Then perimeter of rectangle is 2 into in bracket length plus breadth. Then what about diagonal? Since each angle of rectangle is 90 degree. Clear? So for the diagonal, let's suppose this is the diagonal. Okay, A, B, C, D. So now in this triangle BCD is a right angle triangle, so you can apply Pythagoras over there. So the formula for the diagonal of rectangle is under root length square plus breadth square. Okay, then next is for square. For square, as you know, area of square side into side, then perimeter of square 4 into side, then diagonal of square equals to a under root 2, where a is a side of square. Then next is triangle. Area of triangle equals to 1 by 2 into base into height. Now base and height. Okay, so in this particular diagram, triangle PQR, QR is a base, but what about height? So from vertex P to QR, this is your altitude. Let's suppose this is S. So PS is your altitude making angle of 90 degree with base QR. So from the vertex P, opposite side is QR. So the height will be PS and the base is QR. Okay. Similarly, if from vertex Q you are having an altitude. So now for this question, your base is PR, but your height is QT. Okay. Then if you are having from vertex R, this is U, so your height is RU and RU is on PQ, so base is PQ. Clear? Then what if you are having an isosceles triangle? As you know very well that in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Okay, so for isosceles triangle, area is 1 by 4 into B into under root 4A square minus B square. Now in this A and B both are sides. A is equal side and B is unequal side. Now what do you mean by equal and unequal? Simply PQR is your isosceles triangle. Let this is 10, that means this is also 10 and this one is 8. So this 10 and 10 will be the value of A, equal sides, and this 8 is unequal, so that is B. So in this formula B is different while A is equal sides. Then what when you are having equilateral triangle? So for an equilateral triangle ABC, all the sides are equal. So the area of equilateral triangle is under root 3 by 4 into A square. A is your side. Then one more formula we are having here, Heron's formula. Okay, Heron's formula is area equals to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now A, B and C are the sides of triangle. A, B, C are the sides of triangle. Then what is S? Simply S stands for semi-perimeter. S stands for semi-perimeter. How to calculate semi-perimeter? S equals to sum of sides A plus B plus C upon 2. Okay. Then next is circle. You know very well about circle that area of circle is pi r square. Area of circle pi r square. Then circumference or perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. Clear? Then radius equals to what? Diameter by 2. So explained you all the topics. Now I am starting exercise.